Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer Schlage Home app user access to new owner, detailed guide step by step clearly. To transfer Schlage Home app user access to a new owner, start by opening the Schlage Home app on your device. Ensure you are logged into the account associated with your Schlage Home device. Navigate to the settings section, which can usually be found in the app's main menu. Select the option for users or access management within the settings menu. Find the name of the user account you wish to transfer. Tap on the user account to view its details. Look for an option labeled Remove User or Transfer Access. Confirm the removal of the user access if prompted. Next, you will need to add the new owner to your Schlage Home app. Return to the Users or Access Management section. Select Add User or a similar option available in the app. Enter the new owner's email address to send them an invitation. Customize the access level for this new user, if applicable. Once you have completed the necessary details, send the invitation. The new owner will receive an email with instructions to set up their account. They must follow the link in the email to accept the invitation. After accepting, they should download the Schlage Home app if they have not already. Once they log in with their new account, they will gain access to the devices you transferred. Verify that the new owner can access the features successfully. If issues arise, revisit the user settings to ensure the transfer was completed correctly. With these steps, you have successfully transferred user access to the new owner. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.